Good morning, students. Today we are going to start a new chapter, Numbers up to 1000. This is second chapter of your textbook. Let us see what you have learned before and what you are going to learn in this chapter. So the first point you should remember is what is meant by digits. 0 to 9 numbers 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 are called digits. We make numbers using these digits. You can see any example. So I'll write a number. See, what is this number? 438. This number formed by using 3 digits, 4, 3, 8. So any of the number you can take. Whatever number you take, that number will be formed by this digits only. So the numbers which are formed by these digits are called numerals. Okay? Yes. So the first concept you are going to learn is numbers beyond 100. So we all know numbers till 100. You know many numbers till 100, right? Now we are learning many more numbers beyond 100. So beyond 100 we have many numbers. This is our topic today. See here, 10 ones is equals to 110. So 10 ones, if you take 10 one blocks, it will make one standing block, that is 110. Here, so 10 ones, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. If you take 10 one sticks, it will become one bunch or one standing block. Okay? See here. So now I told you, right, 10 ones will make 110. Like that, here we have 10 tens. See, 10 standing blocks we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So this 10 standing blocks will make a big block, that is 100. That is 100. So the point, let me repeat you again. 10 one blocks is equal to 1 10 stand. 10 10 stands is equal to 100. Then see here, now the small blocks are ones. If we take this one blocks 10, then it will make a standing block, that is 110 block. If we take this 10 blocks 10, then it will become a big block, that is 100. Let's do a small exercise here. See here, what will be the number? Let us find it out. Let's find the number. Here, 100 block, big block is there, one standing block is there, and 4 small blocks are there. Then what is the number here? 100, 110 and 4 ones. So the answer is 114. See the next one. See here, 2 big blocks are there. 100 blocks, 200, then 3 tens are there, 3 standing blocks here. See, 200 blocks are there, 1, 2, and 3 standing blocks are there, 1, 2, 3. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 one blocks are there, small blocks. So the answer is 235. So let's see the next example. Here, 200 plus 4 standing blocks, 4 tens. 1 10 means 10. 2 tens are 20. 3 tens 30. 4 tens means 40. So here the answer is 200 plus 40 plus 3. In total the answer is 243. Let's do an activity to expand the given numbers. Here, to do this activity you just need a chart, and then you need gum, scissor and few papers. See here what you have to do. I'll give you few numbers like this. You have to expand these numbers using these blocks. See here what I am using, I'll tell you. This is a square block. I am using this for 100. It means one square, one grid, one complete square consists of 100 blocks. It means this represents 100. So you can't make it at your house. Then you can use a different color of square shape. Okay, then it indicates 101. This one will be 100 block. Then to show 10 blocks, take standing strips. Take standing strips of different color. So this will be the square one, this will be the standing one, rectangle. And then to show ones, here I have taken stickers round one. These are round. For ones I have taken this. If you can't make it round, you can also do one thing. You can take a standing strip and you can take a small squares like this. You can take for ones. Okay, so let's do the activity. Get ready. So listen carefully. I'll explain. In the same form you have to do it. See the number 321. 321 is a number. Let us see which one is the ones place. Ones, and then tens, and the next is hundreds, right? So ones, tens and hundreds. Here first we have to take 100 blocks. See hundreds, how many are there? 3 are there. So we have to take 3 blocks. 1, 2, 3. Later I will paste it. First I am arranging them. So here 300 blocks. 300s, I have taken 300s. So after taking 300s, in the expanded form you have to put one plus sign. So first we finished 100 place, then put plus sign, then come to the tens place. Here how many tens are there? 2 tens. It means you have to take 2 10 stands. So 1 10 stand and the second 10 stand. So 2 10 stands we have taken. Then again after finishing the next place value, here you have to put one more plus. I am doing on my black chart, that's why I am using paint. So you will do in a white or any of the other color, right? Then you can use sketches. See here next. After this 1. 1 means you have to take only one bindi. It means only one circle you have to take here. So let's place this. Right? So this is the expanded form of 321. It's very simple, right? 300s are there. That's why we have taken 3 square sheets. It means 300s we have taken. Then 2 tens means we have taken 2 standing strips. And 1 means we have taken only one circle. Right? Let's do one more. 145. So 145 means how many I have to take? Only 100 block. Then which symbol I have to put here? After completing one place, see here, ones, tens and hundreds. So I have taken hundreds first. So after hundreds I will put one plus. Then here 4 tens. It means how many standing strips I have to take here? 4 standing strips. 1, 2, 3, 4. Then again which symbol I have to put? Then again I have to put plus symbol. Then 5 ones. 5 ones means 5. What I have to take? 5 circles I have to take. 1. So I have this. You can even use round stickers. If you can ask your mother, they'll help you. So 4. And then one more to become it 5. See here, I represent the number 145. Then the next one 264. It means I have to take 200 blocks. It means 2 squares I will take. Then which symbol I have to put here? Right, plus symbol I have to put. Then 6 standing blocks I have to take. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Then again I have to go with the plus symbol. Then 4 ones. 4 ones means 4 circles I have to take. 1, then 2, 3 and 4. That's it, right? So to do this, you just need square sheets. Any of the, you can take 3 different colors. One is blue color, one is pink color, one is yellow color. If you make difference in these colors, then it will look nice. Whoever present properly, they'll get 5 out of 5 marks. I'm going to give you marks for this project. Okay, so in this way I'll give you 4 questions, only 4 questions I am going to give you for your homework. That numbers you have to expand by doing this activity, right?